This girl was a meteorology student. One day, she and her boyfriend and a few friends were tracking a tornado. They planned to use homemade chemicals to dissipate the tornado that had already formed. The main ingredient of these chemicals was sodium polyacrylate. They believed that the tornado's growth was due to the intensifying updraft and the rainfall increasing the humidity near the ground. This made the unstable layers in the atmosphere more intense. If they could fire the sodium polyacrylate into the tornado, using its powerful water-absorbing ability to absorb the rainwater, it would weaken the updraft and disperse the tornado. They also planned to launch an electronic sensor. This sensor could record and feedback data in real time. Based on these data, their research results would bring them significant funding, so they split into two teams. Harvey was in charge of recording the data. Since there was a lot of computer equipment in the car, he had to stay in one place. Kate and the other three were in charge of driving, trying to get as close to the storm's center as possible to launch the chemicals. However, they underestimated the tornado's size as they got closer to the storm. The heavy rain blurred their vision. The strong winds even flipped their trailer over. Thankfully, they got out of the car without hesitation and managed to flip the trailer back over. Then they successfully opened the lid and sent the supplies into the storm. Far away, Harvey received feedback data. At first, everyone thought the operation had worked, but suddenly, Harvey noticed something wrong. The sensor was being lifted higher and higher by the airflow. They had originally expected 3,000 meters, but it was pulled up to 20,000 meters. This meant they were facing a tornado far bigger than they had anticipated.